Good day, everyone. Today, we would like to present about digital transformation in the Malaysian bubble tea retail industry, a case study of Tea Life and Gongcha. I am Li Jiaxuan.
I'm Eng Miaohui.
I'm Eng Chi.
My name is Dan Leqing.
I'm NG. So let's start our presentations.
Now, I will be sharing about digital transformation in the bubble tea industry, with a focus on the Ali Kampa. By the end of this presentation, we will learn about differentiate between traditional and digital retail in bubble tea, discuss disadvantage of traditional retail, understand key drivers of digital transformation in F&B, explore the role of big data in customer, location, and product insight, analyze local bubble tea case, including Tea Life and the Ali Malaysia, finally assess strategic opportunities for the Ali Kampa. Next slide.
Now let's look at traditional bubble tea retail. In the past, bubble tea shops mostly worked in a very traditional way. Customers had to come to the shop, line up and order at the counter. Staff wrote down the orders and handled payments, usually by cash or card. E-wallets or online system were not common. Marketing was very basic too, using store sign or flyer with only a little activity on social media. For stock and staff schedules, shops depended on manual record and experience, not data. But this old method has many problems. During busy time, waiting lines were long, which made customers unhappy and sometimes reduced sales. Shops also did not collect customer data, so they could not offer personal promotion or build strong loyalty. Manual work often caused mistakes and waste time. Overall, these shops were weaker than new online delivery platform. So, while the traditional way helped bubble tea grow in the beginning, it now caused by challenge in today's digital world. This is why digital transformation is very important for bubble tea brands like the Eddy. Next slide.
Smart retail means a data-driven bubble tea business using the O2O model. Big data can be applied in three main areas: customer, analyzing buying behavior, for example, student versus working adult; location, predicting peak hour in Kampa town; product, tracking best-selling drinks like brown sugar derivatives. The benefits of using data include shorter waiting time, personalized drink recommendations, and stronger customer loyalty and satisfaction. Next slide.
Good day, everyone. Now I'll be presenting the digital transformation case of Tea Life Malaysia. So Tea Life is one of the largest bubble tea chains that founded in 2017 and now operating more than 800 outlets nationwide. The need for transformation was driven by three main factors: intensifying competitions from other bubble tea industry, digital savvy consumer who demanded cashless, mobile and fast service, and the COVID-19 pandemic, which accelerated demand for contactless and efficient service. To adapt, Tea Life embraced a digital-first strategy. They launched the Tea Life app for mobile ordering, loyalty, and cashless payments. Besides, they partner with delivery platforms like GrabFood, Foodpanda, and Shopee Food to reach customers at homes. Meanwhile, Tea Life adopted digital point of sales and QR code ordering, which made transactions faster and more convenient. And last but not least, they use cloud analytics to improve operations and customer insights. Next slide. The transformation was not just about technology. It also changed the organizations and culture. The staff were trained to manage both online and offline operations, and the company invested heavily in social media engagement, running campaigns like #TLifeBetter to connect with the younger audiences. So here we can see the clear differences from the image before and after of T-Life's digital transformation. Previously, orders were made manually, payment were cash only, and purchases has to be made in store. Customer engagement was also quite limited, and operations were slower due to manual tracking. After the transformations, T-Life introduced mobile app ordering and QR codes, supported cashless payment, and expanded to delivery platform, making it an omni-channel retailer. They also strengthened loyalty through CRM system and used cloud analytics to improve efficiency. This shift made the business faster, more customer-focused, and resilient. Overall, T-Life digital transformation has not only streamlined operations, but also strengthened its competitiveness in the retail industry. That's all for me. Now I will pass to the next presenter.
So thank you for passing by, Auntie. Now I would like to discuss about the case study 2, which is Gongcha Malaysia. Gongcha is a global bubble tea brand that was founded in Taiwan in 2006 and entered the Malaysian market in 2011. In research year, the company saw the need to go through a digital transformations. This was mainly due to increasing competitions from brands like Tea Life, as well as changing a consumer experience expectations. People today want more convenient, faster service, and easy access through online platform. When COVID-19 arrived, this need became even more urgent, especially with the risk of food delivery and cashless lifestyle. To keep up, Gongcha quickly adapted its business. It partnered with delivery apps, for example, GrabFoods and Foodpanda, so consumers could enjoy their drink without leaving room. It also launched e-memberships and e-vouchers to reward the loyalty and attract a repeat purchase. At the same time, the brand became much more active on social media, especially Instagram and TikTok, where it used fun and targeted content to connect with younger audience. On top of that, Gongcha introduced cashless payment options, making a transaction faster and more convenient for consumers. Next slide. So, but the transformation was not just about technology, it was also about the company culture. Based on the pictures, we can see that Gongcha shift away from being mainly a premium dine-in brand to becoming a hybrid model that combines both online and offline service. Its marketing strategy became more younger focusing, using a TikTok video, memes, and creative collaborations to stay relevant. The company also started paying more attention to customer feedback, creating a personalized offer, and showing more openness to try out the new digital tools and ideas. Overall, this change helped Gongcha balance its premium image with digital convenience. It built a stronger engagement and loyalty among its consumers and managed to maintain a stronger market positions despite facing a two competitions in bubble tea industry. Gongcha's story shows how a traditional brand can successfully embrace digital transformation while staying true to its identity. So that's all for me. I will pass to the next presenter.
So thank you for passing from Angie. So now I will talk about the analyzing that relevance to the alley. So based on the both case study, we know that some lessons and tool that can apply on the alley. So the lesson applicable, which is the alley need to balance the brand identity with digital convenience. For example, Gongcha show it is possible to stay premium while going digital, and also the T Life proof that mass market is success driven by the strong digital integration. So to make customer loyalty is essential. The alley needs to create a membership program and reward increased repeating purchase. In this era, social media driven brand power. The both brands already show that rely on TikTok and Instagram can easier to capture Gen Z attention. So the case study also let us know that omni-channel is the future. The mix of the physical store, deliver apps, and the mobile platform will create a complete customer experience. So for the technical tools and strategy, the early need to launch mobile apps or e-membership system to give customer reward and voucher to increase the repeat purchase. They also need to shrink their delivery platforms such as GrabFood and Foodpanda to expand their reach. They also can use some gamification or challenge to engage the younger audience. So for a smoother customer journey, they need to more promote their cashless payment and e-voucher. They can apply the data analytic to personalize promotion and better understand their customer preference. So next, I will talk about the conclusion for our presentation. So in the conclusion, the opportunity of the Ali Kampa is they need to have a better demand forecasting using the customer data and the sales data and also wider the customer reach through online platform and apps. So they need to improve the customer experience through the personalization and the faster service. So for the risks and the challenge for the alley, they will have a high investment cost in digital system, such as their app and the IT infrastructure. Some of their customer may still prefer the traditional ordering. Maybe they are a senior citizen or else. So the staff training need to adapt to new technology. Therefore, this will be more cost on time and financial. In a strategy implication, the Ali Kamba should balance digital convenience with premium brand experience. The digital transforming is essential in this era to let the store stay competitive in the bubble tea market. So that's all our presentation. Thank you.